Om Namah Shivaya. Om Amriteshwariyai Namaha. Today in our yoga section, let us see the supine posture Savasana. Slowly lie down on your back, stretch your legs, both the palms facing the roof. Gently close your eyes. Spread your legs little apart. Observe your breathing process. Savasana is the best practice for stress management. As the mind and body unwinds, the real Savasana begins. It shifts away from our sympathetic nervous system to parasympathetic nervous system, and we experience a calm and sweet relaxation. Concentration is the key importance of this asana. Slowly bring your awareness to the top of your head. Relax the head. Relax the forehead. Now relax your eyebrows. Relax your eyeballs. Relax your nose. Relax your upper lip. Relax your lower lip. Relax your chin. Relax your ears. Now your upper part of your body is completely relaxed. Now let us shift to the middle part of our body. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. Relax the biceps. Relax your elbows. Relax your forearms. Relax your wrist. Relax your palms. Relax the fingers of your palms. Now relax your both the legs, both arms together. Slowly shift your awareness to your back of your body. Relax your entire spinal cord. Relax each and every vertebra of your spinal cord. Slowly bring your awareness to your chest. Relax your chest. Relax your abdomen. Relax your navel. Now your middle part of your body is completely relaxed. Relax. Now let us move to the lower part of our body. Relax your thighs. Relax the kneecaps. Relax the calf muscles. Relax the ankle joints. Relax the toes. Relax the fingers of your toes. Relax your heels. Now relax your both the legs together. Now your lower part of your body is completely relaxed. Relax. 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 Your body is totally relaxed from toes to head. Bring your awareness, the tip of your nose. Observe your breathing process. Now let us see the benefits of Savasana. It calms the brain and helps to release stress, mild depression, and worldly tension. It relaxes the whole body. It reduces the headache, fatigue, and insomnia. It helps to lower the blood pressure and anxiety. It improves our sleep. It creates the opportunity to make peace with our morality. It increases our body awareness. It helps to slow the active beta brain waves in favor of our slower states of alpha and theta brain waves. It saves our arrow by nourishing thyself. It improves the concentration and memory. It stimulates the blood circulation in our body. It calms the mind and improves the mental health. It brings our body to a meditative state. It increases the level of energy and it promotes spiritual awakening to higher consciousness. Brain waves and breaths slows down and blood pressure drops. Yoga is a ritual. It is meant to start with a warm up, followed by practice, and end with sort of integration of pace for effort of exercise to seep into body and mind. Slowly bring your legs together, hands beside your body. Bring your right leg above your head. Keep your left hand on your stomach. Bend your left leg. Turn toward the right hand side. With the support of your left hand, slowly come to your sitting posture with closed eyes. Adapt both the hands chin mudra. Keep your spine erect, sit straight. Have a beautiful smiling face. Now gently rub your both the palms vigorously. Place it over your eyes. Once again, rub your both the palms. Massage your facial muscles, neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, thighs. Now gently bring your both the palms in front of your face. Have a beautiful smile on your lips. Smile. Smile. With few blinks, slowly open your eyes by looking at your palms. Slowly open your eyes. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. My name is R.S. Shakshaya. I am studying in Namada Vidyalayam, Kanyakumari.